Good morning. Are you the customer who ordered a package?
Yes, I am. Are you the delivery guy?
Yes, ma'am. I'm here to deliver your parcel.
Great. I've been waiting for it since morning.
Could you please confirm your name?
Sure. My name is Emily Taylor.
Thank you, Miss Taylor. And the address?
This is 42 Maple Street.
Perfect. That matches the record.
Wonderful. May I have the package?
Of course. Here it is.
Oh, it's a bit bigger than I expected.
Yes, but not too heavy. I can help carry it inside.
Really? That would help a lot.
No problem at all. Where should I place it?
Just put it on the kitchen table, please.
All right. Right over here.
Yes, exactly there.
Do you need me to open the box for you?
Yes, please. I'm not good with tape.
Let me cut it open carefully.
Thank you so much.
There we go. It's open now.
Oh, finally. I ordered this last week.
It actually arrived earlier than expected.
That's great news.
Would you like me to check the items with you?
Yes, let's check together.
First item, a kitchen blender.
Yes, I ordered that.
Second item, a set of ceramic cups.
Good, I needed those.
Everything looks fine so far.
Yeah, everything seems perfect.
Nothing appears damaged.
I'm really happy about that.
We always try to deliver safely.
I appreciate that.
Do you receive packages often?
Yes, I shop online all the time.
That's very common now.
Yes, it saves me time.
And sometimes money with discounts.
Exactly.
Did the app notify you before delivery?
Yes, I received a notification this morning.
Good. It helps track your parcel easily.
I love that feature.
Any problem with the app lately?
No, it works perfectly for me.
Glad to know that.
Do you handle returns too?
Yes, we do.
That's convenient.
You can schedule a return anytime.
I'll keep that in mind.
Is everything fine with this package?
Yes, everything looks good.
That's great to hear.
Do people usually give you tips?
Sometimes, but it's not necessary.
I'd still like to give you one today.
Wow, thank you. That's really kind of you.
You've been helpful.
I'm glad to hear that.
Do you prefer morning deliveries?
Yes, mornings are easier for me.
Good. I also like morning deliveries.
I'll keep that in mind next time.
Perfect.
Do you have more deliveries today?
Sorry, do you have more deliveries today?
Yes, about 20 more.
That sounds exhausting.
It can be, but I enjoy my job.
That's nice to hear.
Do you often order kitchen appliances?
Yes, I love cooking.
Cooking is a great hobby.
Do you cook too?
Yes, a little bit.
What's your favorite dish to make?
Probably pasta.
I love pasta.
What do you like to cook?
I enjoy baking treats.
That sounds delicious.
Maybe I'll bake cookies next time.
Really? I'd love that.
Then I'll make some fresh ones.
You just made my day.
I'm glad.
Do you ever get damaged packages?
Rarely, but it happens.
If it happens again, report it immediately.
I will. Thank you.
Was parking difficult on this street?
Yes, it usually is.
It took me a moment, but I managed.
Thanks for the effort.
Are you expecting any other packages soon?
Not today, just this one.
All right, that's good.
Do you work weekends too?
Yes, full-time.
That must be tiring.
I'm used to it now.
You're doing a great job.
Thank you. That means a lot.
Do you ever get delayed?
Sometimes, because of traffic.
Yes, traffic is crazy these days.
Very true.
How far is your warehouse?
Around 20 minutes from here.
That's not too far.
Yes, it's manageable.
Do you enjoy driving all day?
Yes, actually I do.
That's interesting.
Every day feels different.
I can imagine.
Is your neighborhood usually quiet?
Yes, most of the time.
That's nice.
Do you deliver furniture too?
Yes, big items as well.
I might order a sofa soon.
We'll deliver it safely.
Good to know.
Do you want doorstep delivery or inside delivery?
Inside delivery is better for heavy items.
Noted.
Thank you again for everything today.
My pleasure.
You've been really helpful.
I'm happy to help.
Drive safely.
Thank you, ma'am.
Have a wonderful day.
You too.